Astra softly. Hello, Earthling. I'm Astra. I've fallen from the sky.
This mind-blowing AI tool will turn your simple text into a beautiful, realistic video like what you see on your screen right now. Using this tool, you can create cartoon animated story videos, you can create cartoon movies, and you can create cartoon historical videos and much more. To be able to make these cartoon animated videos using this free AI tool and earn money on your YouTube channel, make sure you watch this video till the very end. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is this? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, do consider to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell and watch this video till the very end to get value from it. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for your loyalty. I appreciate all the effort you put into growing this small YouTube channel and the small community. I do not take your effort for granted. Thank you very much. I will show you a brand new AI tool that you can create high quality videos for free, just like what we saw earlier. And this AI tool is more advanced than any AI generator that you have ever seen. So come along with me. Let's take a step by step into this amazing tool. Now, we're going to divide this video into 5 different steps, and step 2 and step 4 are the most important steps in creating this animated video. So make sure you watch this video till the end so you will not miss out on any of the steps. Step 1. Step 1 is to generate a story script for our video. Now, if you want to generate a story for any video, whether a cartoon animated video or for whatever video you want to generate, there are stories on Google that you can go right there, search, and you will see various stories that you can copy and create your animation with. But the problem with these videos on Google is that most of them are not copyright free. So rather than you investing your time on that and maybe after creating your videos, you have to get a strike from YouTube because that video is copyrighted, it is better for you to generate your story on your own, and that is where ChatGPT comes in. So all you have to do is to go to ChatGPT, give it a precise prompt to create a story script for the kind of niche or the kind of animated video you want to create.
So the first thing to do here is to go to Google and type in ChatGPT. Come over to ChatGPT and right here, click on Start Now. If you have an account, it's just going to sign directly into your account, but if not, you can create your account. So right here, you can give it a prompt like this. Give me titles of beautiful cartoon stories that will go viral on YouTube and that have not been told before. All right, then you give in the prompt and you wait for ChatGPT to generate titles of different cartoon stories that we can use. We have the Whispering Star, we have the Enchanting Library, we have Luna's Light, we have the Symphonic of Colors. Now you can go ahead and read all the 10 stories that ChatGPT has given us, or you can just select the one you love. Now, because I love the first title right here, that is number 1, the Whispering Stars, the next thing you have to do is to give a prompt to ChatGPT, like what I've just done right here. Create a story script using number 1. The story should be around 2 main characters, the girl and the fallen star, and then many villagers. The story should be interesting, captivating, and should keep my viewers glued to the screen. It should be 15 minutes long. Now, depending on you, whatever description you want so that ChatGPT will create exactly what is on your mind, just make sure you insist on the prompt right here. And when you're comfortable with your prompt, you can send for ChatGPT to generate this for you. Wow, I already love the story. All right, so we have here a bright light, we have camera zooms, we already have a name of the character. We have Lila. She's 10 years old who discovered the fallen star glowing softly in the grass. All right, so you can read further and see if you are comfortable with the story. If not, you can still give another prompt for ChatGPT to generate it for you. But for the sake of this video, we can't go into that details because this particular video will be too long for one to listen to.
Step 2. Since we want to create an animated video using AI, we need to create some prompts to use to give us commands. So let's go to ChatGPT to give this prompt that we can use as commands for our video script.
Now, for our second step, what you have to do is to copy the first prompt you gave ChatGPT and you can just edit the end of it. Just like what I've done right here, I still repeated the same prompt here. Create a story script using number 1. The story should be around 2 main characters, the girl and the fallen star, and then many villagers. The story should be interesting, captivating, and should keep viewers glued to the screen. It should be 15 minutes long. And then what I added right here was also give commands that will help us generate text to video. All right, so rather than you starting over to type this, and ChatGPT is not a human, so you still have to remind it of the previous prompt so that we have the commands similar to the scripts that ChatGPT had generated before. So when you're done right here, you click right here and ChatGPT is going to give us commands that we can generate our text to video. So let's go back and see the commands that ChatGPT has given us so that if we are comfortable with it, then we can go ahead. If not, we still have to give another command.
Step 3. We need to create a voiceover for our story using AI, and you can either use your real voice to create this voiceover, or you could use an app to create a voiceover. You can use apps like 11 Labs, Flicky, and a lot other apps to create this voiceover. Now, if you go through YouTube or through faceless YouTube channels, you realize that a lot of people prefer to use their real voice to do the voiceover on their faceless YouTube channels, because in some way you will want your channel to be unique to you. So if you are always generating voiceovers from different apps, then it will not only look unique to you. Another advantage of using your voice on your faceless YouTube channel is because you can get a gig to be a voiceover artist for a movie, for a radio house, or for a product, or to advertise a product. So using your voice is an added advantage for you to get gigs out of your YouTube channel.
To generate your voiceover, come over here to Google and type in 11 Labs. All right, click right here to 11 Labs free text to speech. Now, if you have an account, you can just sign in. If you do not have an account, come over here to get started for free. Click on it and you can sign in with your Google account or with your email address, depending on what you have. But with your Google account, this is going to take you approximately 2 minutes to sign in, to create an account for yourself. So this is the interface of 11 Labs. I've been using it for quite some time and I really love it because it is simple to use. All right, all you have to do is to copy your script from ChatGPT and then you paste your script right here. That's all you need, and then you click right here on generate speech. But before that, you want to make a choice of the kind of voice you want to use. I love using Rachel. Some people call it Rachel, right? So you can click right here and you would see different voiceovers that you can use. Each of them have a name. All right, let's see, for example, here, Alice. Let's play it out.
Just trust yourself. Then you will know how to live.
Exactly, that's her own voice. Let's take the next voice and listen to it.
As we are liberated from our own fear, Our presence automatically liberates others.
As simple as that. So you just have to make a choice of what voice you want. There are a lot of voices right here that you can make a choice from. These are several of them. So you can pick a voice right here. When you're done with the voice, all you have to do is to go right here and click on generate speech. When you're done generating the speech, this speech is going to be on your device.
Number 4 is to generate an animated video using AI. To do that, you have to use this AI tool called Moon Valley. This new AI tool is a text to video model which is amazing, and a lot of people are not yet aware of this particular generator or AI generator. So take advantage of it while you can at the moment.
For you to be able to generate this text to video, what you have to do right here is come over to Google and type in Moon Valley AI. Scroll downwards, and then right here you click on this Moon Valley AI video animations. All right, when you come over here, this is Moon Valley, AI video generators, free AI tools, free AI video tools. All right, Moon Valley is associated with a lot of apps. So what you do right here is to go through these various apps that Moon Valley is associated with, and you can select whatever app you want to use right here. This one right here, Genmo, I hope that is how it's pronounced, fantastical video generator. All right, click on it and it's gonna open a new page for us, and then you click right here on create a video, and here we have a new page, and I got directly here because I already have an account with them. If you have an account, you just sign into your account, but if not, you can create an account for you using your Google account. That will take you a few minutes. All right, the next thing for you to do is to go back to ChatGPT, copy the command right there. Make sure you copy a command at a time. Do not copy everything because you will make this AI to be confused. Go back to this AI tool right here, paste it, and then you submit it. Now give it some time to generate this video for us. Now, so this is the image we have right here. All right, it's a video image. So if you want to view it, you can click right here to see it. If you want to download it, you can click right here and it's going to download to your device. Copy the second prompt right here. Go back to the app. Right here, you have to click on backward so we can go to our previous page. Here is our page right here. Make sure you delete what we have in here so we can have space for the new command. Paste the new command right here and you hold on for a bit for this app to generate the video for us. Remember, it's going to take a little bit of time, so you have to do this over and over and over again. Now, do not forget to click on submit when you have finished. All right, amazing. So what you do here is to click on download, and then you click on view to see a broader image of this video. Okay, so let's go back so we can take the third example. So let's take this third example and see what we will get from this AI tool. You paste your command right here and you click on submit. Amazing. So we have our video right here, and the next thing to do is to click on download. All right, so we have it on our device, and then we can view the image if you want to do that. So it is as simple as this. You can go ahead to the other prompt, you copy, paste, and generate the video for yourself. All right, but for the sake of time, we're going to leave it at this, but you will see the result of this in a bit.
Number 5. Number 5 is to combine and edit everything we have created. And to do this, you can use any video editing app. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use CapCut to do that.
Now, this is the most interesting part in all that we are doing today. All right. So this is CapCut. For those of you who haven't been able to have the chance to use CapCut, this is an opportunity for you. So this is the interface of CapCut on your laptop. All right. So right here, if you click here, you would see different things that you can actually do here. And for the sake of our video, we have to hurry with time. So right here is for you to import all the video images that you have generated. So if you click right here, it's going to take you to your desktop where you can actually import all the images you have created. All right. So you can click on the image you want to import. You click on open and you would see your image right here. Now, to make it easier and faster, what you can do right here is to double click on it and then copy all the video images you want to use. So click on open. And then you will have all the video images you generated or you want to use right here. Remember, we have a voiceover. So let's make sure that we have a voiceover right here too. All right. So click back on import. And right here, we're going to make sure this is a voiceover. We generated it from 11 Labs. All right. So here we go. We have our voiceover right here. So what you do here is to click on it and move it right here. And then you can now go ahead to assemble all the video images you want to use. Now, to assemble this video so that you can make it a beautiful movie or a historical movie, you have to first of all listen to the voiceover so you know exactly where to place what video.
Title: The Whispering Stars.
So let's begin with this right here. Click on it, copy it, and paste it right here. All right. Now, when you place a video, make sure you go back to play right here and listen to it to see how it plays out. So you have to keep doing that each time you place a new video to see if the video you've placed goes alongside the voiceover. Now, when you are comfortable with the video you place in accordance with the voiceover, then go back right here to where you imported to import others. So just keep doing this with all the videos you uploaded, and then you can go back to listen to know if they work along with the voiceover. Let's play it over and see how exactly it plays out with the voiceover.
Title: The Whispering Stars, A Celestial Journey. In a realm where the night sky is a tapestry of shimmering lights, one star, brighter and bolder than the rest, fell from its celestial home. A star streaks across the sky, leaving a glowing trail. The star falls gently to earth, landing in a forest clearing. Lila, a curious 10-year-old girl, stumbles upon the fallen star, glowing softly in the grass.
Now, that was just an introduction to what exactly you can do to generate historical movies, cartoon movies, or whatever movies you want to generate. So it's as simple as that. Just import all your videos that you've generated right here. And the first thing you have to do is to copy downwards your voiceover, and then you bring down the images or the videos that you generated according to your story. Now, for the sake of time, we can't do all this, but I will drop the finished product of this on another video so you would see how much you can do with your faceless YouTube channel.
So these are the various steps you can use to create your cartoon animation, whether you're using it for a movie, for a historical video, or for a cartoon animation. It is as simple as this. If you love the research so far and you want to be seeing content like this, do not forget to click on that like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you fall short or you try this somewhere and you're not able to go ahead with it, go down to the comment section and let me know your worry or where you cannot go further, and I'll be right there to help you through that process. Do remember that we have an online version of editing every Saturday, so you can join us every Saturday so you can learn more or expand on your skills. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. So see you on our next exciting video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space. Bye bye.